Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter in a Nissan 2022 Rogue Sport. And I'm going to replace it with a Bosch. There's the cabin air filter. So it's going to be in your passenger side by the floorboard. So we come in here and there it is right there. There's the casing right there, as you can see. All right, there you go. I got the flash on. So you're gonna grab here and take it off from here. Pull on it, and there you go. There's that part. And after that, the cabin air filter's in there. As you can see it right there. Go ahead and pull it out. And make sure you remember how you pull it out. That way you can put it in the same way. All right? So that's how we pulled it out. And then besides that, just look at the arrow. And as you can see, the arrow, as we brought it out, is pointing towards the cabin. So the airflow is going to come towards us. It's going to come out of here. All right? So you want it pointing towards the back of the car with the arrow. And the pleats are going up and down, not side to side. All right? Besides that, you want to compare them together. Make sure they're basically the same. And as you can see, they're basically the same. Now make sure the arrow is pointing towards the back, just like that. And then you insert it. It's gonna be a special way to insert it. You gotta kind of push in. I would get one side first in there, and then get the other side in there for like that. So you push in the top, and then you push in the bottom, and back and forth. Keep doing that until you get it in there. All right, guys. But I'll get back to you when I get it in there. All right, guys, and this is how it's supposed to look when it's in there, as you can see. All right. After that, I mean, you're done. See? It's barely showing up there. Now you want to put your cap back on, which is this one right here. And there's only one way it can go in, because only the bottom has the space. So it's gonna go like this. I'll show you when I'm done. It'll pop once you got it in there right. Watch. Y'all heard that loud pop? And there it is. Always with this thing to be able to pull it this way. It's got one on the top, one on the bottom. But that's it. If it ain't going in, it's because you ain't got your air filter in there deep enough. But anyways, Nissan recommends replacing these every 15,000 miles. But this is what it looks like when you go 80,000 miles without replacing it. And it was more dirty than that. I just didn't know Nissan had these in these, that they were replaceable. When I brought it out, it was more dusty than this. I actually got some of the dust off of it. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.